What is up, guys? My name is John. Welcome back to Vehicular Overdrive, and today we're going to talk about 2021. Welcome back, guys. My name is John. If you're new to the channel, this is Vehicular Overdrive, where we talk about cars and the people behind them. And so today we're going to talk about things that are going to be happening in 2021. All right, guys. So besides this huge pimple on my forehead, 2021 is going to bring a lot of other stuff to the channel. So we have the Mustang. We got tons of stuff going on with that thing. I'm gonna try and get some major work done on this thing this year. So hopefully I can take this on the rally this year with Dan, Normal Guy Supercar Rally. And that's another thing that's coming up to 2021. I should be able to do the whole week of the rally, depending on if I'm in this or in something else. And if you want to join us on this year's tour, click the link down in the description box below. It's a Normal Guy Supercar Evaluation Tour 2021. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Guys, I was only there for 2 days and I had a blast. I can't wait for this year coming up. It's gonna be crazy. Also, I'm gonna have another series coming to the channel where I go through and I'm actually gonna be speccing cars. So it's gonna be called Speccing Cars I Can't Afford or something like that. And we're gonna go through and we're gonna spec a bunch of cars so you guys can see how I would do it. And you can go on there and play with different specs yourselves. And yeah, that's gonna be a cool new series. So along with the speccing cars, we're actually gonna be doing more with Behind the Wheel. And so my whole goal with Behind the Wheel is to interview people and kind of see the actual people behind the cars. You know, we get to see a lot of the vehicles and we get to drive them, we get to learn how they feel, but I want to learn more about the people and the drive behind the car community. And so hopefully we're gonna be doing a lot more reviews and videos with that. I also have some videos coming up on this thing, the 2019 Camry. It's just a few videos on how I like it, what it's like to drive, if I recommend it to anybody, and like the things that I don't like about it as well. And so there's that. And we're also going to get in and go over to Elise's and see the Prius. All right, guys. So yes, the Prius will be a part of 2021 on the channel. Unfortunately, it has broken down. It seems to have some ECU problems. I'm kind of through with it. Elise is through with it. And so she actually bought a new car. So we're going to do a series on this thing, trying to get some cash out of it, even with the busted ECU. And with that, Elise's new car is a Focus. And yeah, it's got its own problems, but she got it for a smoking deal. And so we're gonna be doing some work on this thing too, some polishing. It's got a little bit of hail damage on the hood and the roof. I don't know if you can see that, so we'll be working that out. And the interior needs some work as well. So yeah, those two things will be a part of 2021 on the channel as well. And so that's about it, guys. Stay tuned for all that stuff that's coming in 2021. I can't wait. It's going to be a fantastic year. There's going to be so much things that are going to be coming to the channel. The frequency of videos is going to go way up. And so I appreciate you guys sticking around. And I actually might need to test out a new intro that I've been working on. We'll see if you guys like it. It's kind of a play on the super excited YouTubers that are all over the place. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. That is Elise.